So anyway, this is a gator I shot. This was my last day in Florida. I went down to the boat ramp and saw this over there at the end of the boat ramp. And closer I got to him, the more he swam. He was a little more afraid of me than I was of him, but trust me, I kept my eye on him also. But I thought I'd share this with you. And night before I left for Florida, like I said, and headed back to Michigan the morning after. And now I left Florida 88 degrees. I'm in Michigan, and today the low was 29. Now it may have made it to 40. And I've been in Florida for the last 6 months, and to me it's cold. So not used to it. So it's been a while since I've been back. But anyway, I'm back now. Thought I'd share this little gator video with you. Alright, well, I'm back from Florida. This is the beautiful Detroit River, alligator free. But anyway, I'm getting ready. I'm back here with Drifter that's still got the plastic wrap on. So I'm getting ready to cut the plastic wrap off and start getting that ready pretty soon. And stay tuned, I'll be putting that on video. But back in Michigan, it's 70 degrees today. It's a little bit after Easter. And look forward into a great summer with you. Thanks. Alright, well, here's Drifter. She's still in storage here at the marina. Gonna be taking the plastic off next weekend. So, stay tuned. We're gonna show you how to get this off safely without damaging the boat. The marina is still pretty full of boats. So there's not too many of us in the water yet, the cruisers, but we got a lot of fishermen out here today.